We have problem 8. This one I think is pretty straightforward in what it's asking you to do. We just have to be careful. So here is the expression we're trying to make, and this is the regular expression that we get to try to make this from. Here these stars, remember, say that that's the same as a repeat. We're gonna have 0 up to infinity repeats, or times that this happens. Here we have 2 A's followed by 3 C's. Well, that's totally possible with this guy because we just have A happen, we have this repeat happen 2 times, and then we have this one happen 0 times, and this one happen 3 times, and that will give us A, no B's, no B's, and then 3 C's, A, C, C, C. Okay, so this one is a yes. Okay, this one, they get increasingly complicated, don't they? So we have A or B as many times as we want, and then B or C as many times as we want. So, A we can get from this guy, B, A. Here, C means we have to transition over there. So we'll say that this guy repeats 4 times, right? 4 of these where it's A or B, right? The first time would be A, the second time we would choose B. Remember that this line here represents an OR. Like I choose one from this set of things. And then we have to switch over to the other side, and we have to get B or C. Well, all of these are B or C, so we'll just say that this happens another 4 times. I think that looks to me like it works. This third one, see, we have AB or BA as many times as we want, and then BBC or BC as many times. Oh, no, we have so we have to be careful. This guy here means we have to choose either this or this. So we cannot have this followed by this. There's no star out here indicating that we can have this, and then next time choose this, and then this, and then this. Nope, no. This is saying that either we get to choose AB or BA as many times as we want, or BBC or CBC as many times as we want. So over here, we have AB, which indicates we must be on the left side. We must have chosen from this, I think of this as an OR, I don't know if that's actually what it means, but we must have chosen this side over here to make this first part. But this CBC comes only from the right. We can't make CBC from over here. So this is not possible. Just gotta be careful, make sure that you're not misinterpreting what they're putting there. Almost got me. Okay, this one we have, oh boy, BC or BCC. Well, it looks like I can say here's our BCC, followed by BAC or CBA. What is it, BAC here? So that works so far. And then CBA, or that's not AA, is that right? Let me check that I copied this down correctly really quick. Yeah, I did copy down correctly. I think I've done something wrong here. I just realized that this is one way we could have thought of it, where this is BCC, and then this is this BAC, and then there's nothing left to make BA. But also we could have started from this end. Look at the CBA, could be this guy here. This CBA could be this one here, and then we would be left with BC, which is also valid here. So this one, I guess you had to think of backwards. I messed that up a little bit. Should have recognized at the beginning that we could either choose BCC or BC. So here, if we choose BC, then we choose CBA, and then we choose CBA. Again, then we're good and it works. So this is a yes. Let's look at this next one. ACC, BCC. Oh boy, so we have a repeat here on the outside, so this whole thing can happen as many times as we want, and the C can happen as many times as we want. So it looks like in both cases we'll have two C's, so that's one repeat of the C. This guy will turn into CC, and this is A or B, so we could have A, CC, repeat, B, CC. So that looks like it works to me. This last one, oh boy. So let's be careful not make the same mistake I made up here and look for all possible sort of starting blocks. So CA, there's nothing else that can start this other than this CA. But then after that, we're looking for BA. I don't think there's any other way. All of these are length 2. There's no tricky length thing here. So BA, that one works, and there's no other options. So BA up to there, we're good. CB we can do. BB also we can do, right? I think I might have messed up again. This one's supposed to be a, CA, BAC, BBB. Oh, nah. The answer is no, and now it's my job to figure out what I did wrong. And it has CA, it has BA, it has CB, and it has BB. But it says we cannot make it. CA, BA, CB. Oh, I've copied it down wrong. There's an extra B here, right? Oh, geez. My eyesight is bad. Okay, so up to here, we're good. Then we're left with this final B. Gosh. You guys watching this like, Luke Hodge doesn't know what he's doing. I made these totally on the fly. And you're right. Okay, but this final B, we have no way to make it from regular expression they gave us, so this is a no. Okay, only 2 mess ups in that video. That's not too bad, is it? Anyway, we'll move on to the next problem.